Hi, I wanted to share with you some tips and tricks that I've learned over the years that hopefully will help you. And they're really very simple. So to help you remember debits versus which balance the accounts have, debit versus credit, it's called dealer. It's DEALER. And so you just basically draw a T count. I drew a box around it, but um, its dividends are naturally a debit balance. So if you want to increase any of these items, it's a debit. If you want to increase dividends, expenses, or assets, it's a debit. Those are their natural balance. And if you want to increase a liability, equity, or revenue, it's a credit balance. Those are their natural balances. So, and it's just an acronym for dealer. Hopefully that helps. This other tip and trick that I learned is from my accounting one professor way back in the day. And she threw this on the board one day, and it has stuck with me forever. And basically, you write your two primary financial statements on top, the balance sheet and income statement, and then you write the equation for each of those statements. So the balance sheet is assets equals, you don't write the equals, but assets equals liabilities plus stockholders' equity. And then the income statement is revenue minus expenses. So that's how you line it up here. And then on the columns, you write debit, credit. And you write an I and a D. I is increase, D is decrease. She called it itty did, or you can call it ID. The only thing you need to remember, so it starts with the I here, and so think of ID, whether you want to start with ID going across or ID going down, like your driver's license is your ID. That's another way to remember it. And then so you put the I here, that's where you start, and then you know the I goes at the end, and the filler is D. And then the bottom is the opposite. So you put D here, D at the end, and then filler is I. So that's how I got itty did or ID. And basically it says I's increase. So it says if I want to increase my asset, then I will debit. If I want to increase my stockholders' equity, I go to my I, it's a credit. If I want to decrease, because it's a D, my revenue, it's a debit. So that's just how it works. Just remember the letters at the end. It always starts with I right here, and that same letter goes at the end, and the bottom's the opposite letter. So ID, itty did, however you want to remember it. I used to I was memorizing this little sheet, and then when I would take exams, I would throw it on the top. I would quickly draw it on the top, and it really helped me solidify my journal entries of which way the accounts should go. Hopefully this helps.